Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my video in the tool review series. A couple of days ago I stopped by my local Aldi and I found something that I already have one and I use it quite often, but I bought another one and I'm going to show you what it is and I'm going to show you why I like it. This is an item I picked up. I'm sure you've seen these before. In fact, I have another video that I put out about 2.5–3 years ago called Tame the Power Cords. I encourage you to check that out on my YouTube channel. This came from Aldi. This is around $10 to $15. I can't remember the exact price. But has a 4-outlet, 16 gauge, 25-foot cord and reel. Now I wouldn't want to use this for big items such as air compressors or anything like that, but if you like me, you have a lot of Dremels or rotary tools, this would be perfect for it. Maybe a radio, make clock radio, put in the background. Let's open this thing up. There we go. It stands up very well. Turn it this way. Let's see how thick it is. Here's the back of it. Shows the direction of the then when you wind it back up, use this, wind it in the direction of the arrows. Pretty self-explanatory. Pull that again, add it out again. Okay. I think that locks it. This might unlock it. Yep. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Counterclockwise to unlock it. So, have a nice 3-pronged cord here. Here has the warning label attached to it. Reel it back up. Okay, I'm going to pull it out one more time. Let me loosen that up. Pull this out, and let me turn on this power right here. I'm going to plug it in. Now it has a light indicator right here showing you that is off or on. Let me grab one of these Dremels over here and I'm going to plug it in. This way. Very easily. Anyway, for the price on this, I don't think you can go wrong. Very handy to have around your house. Put it in your car if you need to. Put it with other tools. For the price it costs, it would be worth getting 2 or 3 of these. Be a great gift for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, it doesn't matter. Turn this back off and unplug it. Wind it back up. Lock it into place. Locked. Good to go. Very nice heavy duty plastic. Check it out. Go to your local Aldi. Check these out. Can't go wrong. I do appreciate watching.